Hey, it's Roger. I'm on location in Ballantyne, 28277 at a Meritage neighborhood called The Retreat, looking at a plan that just has wowed me, guys, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, this two-story entry, you got to love this. You have just got to love this. Right here, it's set off to the side, but there's room for furniture. There's a great dining room, full formal space with windows up, so you can put your hutch right there, butler's pantry. But here's the thing I love about this, and we'll get here in just a half a second. This is multi-generational to the max. Now, Classica Homes is the only one I've known recently that's been building a multi-generational plan with a next gen or a flex gen type living space. But here we go with Meritage. And if you're a subscriber to the channel, you know that I'm a Meritage fan. And if not, please hit the subscribe button right now and click the like button on this video because I've still got you here. Screened in porch on the Bennett. Look at this extended counter. Now I'm sure there are options for that, but you've got windows right above there. Great for baking, great for crafts. And then again, you've got this catwalk up and then this two-story great room, which you've got to love that. In fact, I'm meeting a client today here because she loves that two-story great room. But here's what I'm going to say about multi-generational. Here is really like an apartment suite. You've got a narthex going into this. You do have a powder room for your guests, looking out to this beautiful great room. Plenty of bedrooms upstairs, but the Bennett boasts of an in-law generational living room, bedroom, bathroom. Meritage is so smart for doing this because you wouldn't believe how many hits I get, how many views I get whenever I do a video about multi-generational suites. People love that. Everybody's thinking this way. So let's say you're a baby boomer and you're retiring or you're just moving south. Here's something for your 70, 80, 90-year-old parent or parents. Full living area with, they've got their own place to cook and have their own space, the living room to have guests and to be able to enjoy their own life, independent, aging in place with a full shower. And then they've got you in the main with their grandkids and so on. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. Reference the Bennett plan. We are definitely in Ballantyne, which this is going to be sold out soon. And we're in The Retreat. You're going to spend above $600 for this as it stands, but it's worth it if you combine your resources with your parent or parents. You'd be surprised how much house you can buy and be able to let them live here under your roof, help with the cooking and other things, and take care of those grandkids that they absolutely love. 704-345-3400. I can't wait to talk to you soon.